Let's learn 2 times table. 2 ones are 2. How do we get 2? Add 2 one time is equal to 2. 2 twos are 4. How do we get 4? Add 2 2 times is equal to 4. 2 threes are 6. How do we get 6? Add 2 3 times is equal to 6. 2 fours are 8. How do we get 8? Add 2 4 times is equal to 8. 2 fives are 10. How do we get 10? Add 2 5 times is equal to 10. 2 6 are 12. How do we get 12? Add 2 6 times is equal to 12. 2 sevens are 14. How do we get 14? Add 2 7 times. 2 eights are 16. How do we get 16? Add 2 8 times is equal to 16. 2 nines are 18. How do we get 18? Add 2 9 times is equal to 18. 2 tens are 20. How do we get 20? Add 2 10 times is equal to 20. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.